Hello there, modern man. If you're struggling with ED or you love someone who is, stay to the end. You're going to get 3 tips that I'm going to tell you on how to fix ED. This is ED fix to the root cause of ED. So let's get into it at this point. The first thing a man with ED needs to fix is how much he moves. I know I'm not going to be your favorite because I'm going to tell you to fix the root cause of ED, which is blood flow and inflammation. That's how you reverse ED, and it does involve work from you. It is not an easy pill that you take or an easy supplement that you take. Anything that is worth doing is worth working for. So I'm going to be real with you, okay? So ED is often an early sign that your blood vessel or your blood flow is not healthy, and that same artery that bring blood to your organ can even cause a heart attack as well. So ED is really a warning sign. You need to pay attention to that. So how do you fix ED? You fix the cause of why the blood flow is decreased. In order to fix that, you need to move. You need to move, and I recommend that you move about 30 minutes 4 times a week, every other day. And it doesn't have to be doing a triathlon or crazy stuff. It's just involving a brisk walk, a walk that when you're walking, that it's hard for you to count 1 to 10. That's it. 30 to 40 minutes every other day or 4 days a week. You can do cycling, swimming, or something similar, even walking up and down the stairs. It's just so that it just maybe a light sweat at this time. So your exercise is your erection medication, not Viagra, not Cialis. Many studies have shown that, okay? You don't need a gym membership. All you need is a schedule. 30 minutes a day, every other day, or every day. Pick a time and a day that you can do it consistently. The key is consistently. If you do this over a 12-week period, or if you will even notice within a week, you'll have better energy, better mood, and the weight start to come off over time. Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com. Number 2, eat like the Mediterranean. The second thing is that to fix ED, you need to fix how you eat. There is a pattern of eating that consistently support better blood flow and better erection. The Mediterranean diet. Check out the Mediterranean diet link right here where I give it to you for free. What the Mediterranean diet is that you just fill your plate with vegetables and fruit and lunch and dinner, and eat olive oil and eat lean meat such as pork, fish, and seafood, and eat nuts and beans regularly. Just cut down on the processed food. Processed foods, anything that's in a bag or a can, sugary drinks, and heavy processed meat like hot dogs, okay? So you don't have to be perfect. You just need to move toward that direction, which is move more and follow the Mediterranean diet. So replace soda with water or sparkling water. Replace fries with a salad or vegetable. I know my husband likes fries too, but he's now starting to incorporate salad into his diet more often. So instead of a burger every night, replace it with grilled fish or chicken. Instead of white bread, white rice, replace it with whole grain bread, brown rice, or quinoa. A good rule of thumb is this: if it grows on trees or on the ground or swim in the sea or is cooked in olive oil, it's probably helping your erection, all right? Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. Point number 3, sleep. Sleep is so important. I did a video on sleep and erection. Check it out. So if you have ED, you need to fix your sleep and also breathing at night too. Most testosterone is produced when you're sleeping and rapid eye movement. But if your sleep is short or broken, testosterone level decreases, and therefore you're gonna notice a change in your erection and your libido or sex drive. So you need to sleep about at least 7 hours at nighttime. What that means is try to keep a regular bedtime and wake time even on the weekends, not just the days that you're working at all. And before you go to bed, limit heavy meals and alcohol and screen time at least 2 hours before you go to bed. And another tip too is keep your room dark, cool, and quiet. Sometimes as cool as like 65 degrees and dark because it's less stimulation for you. And if you snore or if you're sleeping and you pause during your breathing like that, you need to get checked for sleep apnea. It's an easy study you can even do at home. If you have sleep apnea, you need to fix it because sleep apnea will decrease testosterone, it will decrease your libido, and therefore will affect your erection as well. So if you sleep better and if you get your sleep apnea improved, you will improve daytime energy, you will have better testosterone level, and definitely better erection, okay? To protect your sleep, protect your hormones, and protect your erection with better sleep. So let's put all this together. Number 1, movement. You gotta move at least 30 minutes every other day. 2, follow the Mediterranean diet. Check the Mediterranean diet link right here. I give it to you. Everything you need. Essentially eat anything that the earth gave you. That's mainly it. And sleep at least 7 hours at nighttime and stop the screen 2 hours before you go to bed. So if you do this consistently every day, you will see an improvement in your ED from a month to over 12 months. All you need to do is to take action, to be consistent, and to be committed to doing that. Your erection deserves it. Your sex life deserves it. And you deserve it. And you can fix your ED, believe it or not. And you don't need that medication. You don't need that magic pill. Don't chase that magic supplement that is somewhere in Timbuktu. There is no quick fix. I'm telling you, there's no quick fix. I would love for you to come to my office and get stem cell therapy and platelet-rich plasma and shockwave therapy and the Botox that we do. But I'm trying to help you to fix this naturally. And if you're a man with ED and you just starting to notice some ED, or you've been having ED for a couple of years, then this is the right thing for you. And if you're a man that's been taking ED medication and you want to get rid of it and start fixing it naturally as well too. And if you need to get it fixed quicker, we can help you with that. Check out the link below and see how we can help you. But I know that you can start this yourself and just see the result. Be patient. Give yourself 12 weeks for this. Let me know how you do. It will mean the world to me if you click notification and subscribe and share this with somebody you love. And just know that we are here for you. And if we can help you out with ED, check the link below. I will see you in the next episode, Modern Man, and I know you can do it. Okay, Modern Man, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself. It's exhausting, but here's the truth. You are not broken, you are not alone, and you don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error, just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.